Hey guys, just doing my first YouTube video here. It's going to be about the Apple wireless Mighty Mouse and the Apple wireless keyboard, as you can see there. Right, so let's get started. This is the Mighty Mouse. It's very good indeed. At first I wasn't I don't know, like too excited about it, but now I've got used to it. It's awesome. To start off, you got the scroll ball here, which is really nice, going through long documents, websites, cover flow in iTunes, etc. And most people don't like it, but if you don't get it too greasy or mucky, it should be fine. It's easy enough to clean. Just have a look on YouTube and some videos to how to do it there. At the back, you've got the laser, which you can't see obviously when it's lifted from the table or mouse pad, whichever you have. But that has had no loss of connectivity issues really. And there you've got the batteries in here. I'll just show you where. Well, I'm not just going to show you this time actually, but they're in there, and you can either have one battery, so it's lighter because most people like it in case you're travelling or you don't want your arms to ache after a while. And if you have one, it still works fine, but two, obviously the battery life lasts longer and it's just more heavy and stabler. A bad thing that people don't like is it's got one button over the top, which is censored. So if I wanted to click the left click, I'd have to lift the right finger up and press it. But if I was going to press the right finger, it'd be vice versa. So that's what there. And it's got these two buttons on the side there, which you can change in system preferences to whichever ones you like. I like to do a variety of different things. So overall, I think it's good. I've only had it a couple of weeks and it's been fine for me. I haven't had no problems yet, but I might do in the future, you never know, but so far it's good. I really like it. Next, on to the Apple keyboard. I've gone for the Bluetooth wireless one to save some space on the desk, etc. This is really good. It's a full-size keyboard based on the MacBook keyboard style. The only thing it hasn't got is the number pad down that side and the delete key. All the other functions as you expect. It's got the arrows there, spacebar, Command, Alt. For delete, sorry about that. For delete, you press FN and backspace at the same time, and that would delete something for you because you haven't got a delete key. And the top, if I'm going from right to left, you've got eject, volume up, volume down, play, mute, sorry, skip, pause and play, skip back, F6, F5, dashboard, expose area windows, brightness down, and escape. It's so thin, as you can see, but it's got some nice weight for it as well, and it fits nicely on the desk, no clutter or cables, nice to type on. As you can hear, this, I'll just put it up to the thing. It's nice, it's got not too much sound, nice and spongy, not too cheap. Yeah, so that was the Apple wireless Mighty Mouse review and the Apple aluminium wireless Bluetooth keyboard review. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. More YouTube videos will be on the way. Till next time, see ya.